G'day guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how easy it is for you to buy crypto through the new Binance person-to-person exchange system. It's really amazing. It's very easy, very simplified, and it is quick to set up. Guys, Binance has an amazing platform for us that we can actually buy and sell our cryptos in minutes, literally minutes. And in today's video, I'm going to be taking you through the quick and easy steps how to buy your cryptocurrency. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually sell your crypto and move the money back to your local bank account. So let's jump into this video. Step one is you need to register yourself a Binance account. If you don't have one, guys, simply look at the bottom of the video. I've shared my link with you. Click on it there. Binance is running a special right now. If you sign up for an account, click on my link at the bottom and you make a minimum deposit of $50, we both get to share $100 USDT. I think that's a great special. So guys, let's jump into this video. First thing you need to do is you need to set up your Binance account. Once your account is verified and you have made sure that your account is set up, you would see a screen like this. Now, it's very simple. You simply just go to the Buy Crypto section and go down to the third payment method, which is called person-to-person trading. What this pretty much means is there's local people within my country that actually buys and sells cryptocurrencies every single day. So I get to plug into them and they give me cryptocurrency or sell the crypto back to them. But in today's video, we're going to be doing how do I buy crypto. So step one is I would open up the Binance person-to-person. Reminder, guys, click on Buy Crypto and choose the third tab, right? Person-to-person, buy and sell. Step number two is I need to make sure that the tab is set to buy here and not sell. So that means that the system is actually going to be allowing me to buy crypto. Here is where I actually sell my crypto, but this is in one of my other videos, which I will be linking right here. So how do I buy? Now you can see in the top here, you can see you get different types of cryptocurrency, but they do not buy and sell all the different types of crypto. So if you have a coin that is not listed here, simply just convert it in your wallet to one of these cryptocurrencies and you're able to sell it back to them. Now I like to move my money either in USDT or BUSD because it's both stable coins. So I would actually convert my money from Bitcoin or Ethereum to USDT or BUSD. Now, the next thing you would do is you would actually come here and you would change this tab. Normally, it is set to a different currency. You would then go and select the currency for your country. Now, mine in South Africa is ZAR. Then I would go down and I would look at all the different traders and merchants that are here. Now, not all merchants are equal. Some of them actually have a golden tick. And the golden tick means that they are a verified merchant by Binance. And second, they have high trading volume. Normally, some of these traders, you can see that you can actually move large amounts of cryptocurrency with them. And as you can see, there are many traders. It all depends on you. Whenever I'm moving smaller amounts of money, I like to choose some of the other guys here, which has got some really good orders. I normally look at the orders. For me, my personal rule is they need to at least have about 10 orders for the day. It means that they are buying and selling some crypto all the time. So I like to use them. Now, I'm going to be using this trader for argument. I can see that at today's price, I'm going to be paying 17 Rand and 3 cents. And the minimum USDT he has available is 996. If you're going to be buying 1,000 USDT, so you can't really use this merchant, you're going to have to scroll down to a merchant that's actually got 1,000 USDT in their holdings at that specific moment, which would be NFT Museum, right? And you can see he's got over 382 orders, so I will most probably use this guy. Don't stress about the couple of cents, guys. When you have to take into consideration putting your money into your local exchange and then having to move it and all the transaction fees, this is completely worth it all the time. I've tried many different ways and I always find this one to be the best and the cheapest. So I've now decided on my merchant. I want to get 1,000 US dollars. I simply click on buy USDT. Now, very important, always check the terms and conditions. Different merchants have different terms and conditions, and immediate payment, quick release. That's the smartest business, and make sure to leave a rating. Guys, I always like to give a thumbs up to the guys that are fast and really takes care of me. I even like to get their WhatsApp details so we can chat one-on-one. That is how many times I'm actually doing this, and I absolutely love building relationships with some of these merchants on the platform. So let's say I want to do 1000 USDT. I will simply enter the USDT amount here. Or if I don't know how much USDT, I've only got, let's say, 18,345 Rand in my bank account. I would like to use that. Then this is how much the system will automatically convert it for me. All right. So, guys, remember, in Binance, it is an immediate payment system. So you need to make an instant payment. Right. So if you're going to be doing a lot of cryptos, maybe look at a different bank account that has got immediate payment options that are a lot less cheaper. I personally use Capitec because their instant payments are so much less. So you would then have to do an immediate payment and confirm with the merchant. So it's as simple as that. Simply click on buy USDT and the order would go to this merchant and they would give you their banking details. You simply fill in the banking details as a beneficiary, press submit, do an instant payment to them. In the one side, you've actually got the chat box. You can talk to the merchant as you guys are doing the transactions and just confirm with them that you have actually made the payment. Sometimes the merchants might even ask you to submit a proof of payment for their own reference. You would simply then WhatsApp or email that proof of payment to the merchant, and within less than 15 minutes, you have taken your rands, whichever fiat currency you have taken into crypto in under 15 minutes. And the best part, guys, no transaction fees. I didn't have to pay any transfer fees. I didn't have to keep on exchanging my coins to different types of cryptos. It's as simple as this. So, guys, I really hope that this video has helped you to actually be able to buy your first crypto. If you're an experienced cryptoer like me, I've been doing it for quite a while. I've actually gotten rid of all my local exchanges because why have my money in different places when Binance has simplified it for me and made it so easy to buy crypto? Remember, guys, my video linked right here for you is how to sell your crypto to a merchant and actually get the rands back into your account. Catch you guys in the next video.